This conference
binary
will now be
binary.
recorded.
For that we are using the complements. For that we are going to using the complements. What is meant by complements? So complement means 1 means 0, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 0 means 1. So another important topic, there are two more questions. So this complements based in your syllabus, that is one's complement. The first one is one's complement, second one is two's complement. One's complement and two's complement. What is meant by one's complement, what is meant by two's complement? So one's complement is very simple method. Please listen carefully. One's complement means, what is the rules? Take the given binary number as it is. First step, take the given binary number as it is. Take the given binary as it is. Take the given binary as it is. Binary means 3-bit equivalent, 4-bit equivalent, or 7-bit equivalent, whatever may be the things. Take the given binary as it is. And then second step, change. Please listen, this is the rule. Change zeros into 1. 1 means 0. Zeros to 1, 1 to 0. Zeros to be changed to 1, 1 to be 0. Say for example, what is the ones complement for this binary number? This is a binary number given to you. So first you should know this is the 5-bit binary number. It is the LSB. This is the MSB. So what is the rule? Take the binary number as it is. This is a given number. So take the binary number as it is. Then change ones into 0, zeros into 1. That is the rule. 1, 0, 0 is changing to 1. So that is the ones complement. That is the ones complement. So here this 1 is changes to 0. So what is the ones complement of the given number? This is the ones complement. So similarly, any bit length can be converted into its equivalent ones complement. Ones complement. Rule is first take the given binary number as it is, then convert ones into zeros, zeros into ones. That's all. So example, this one. Similarly, you can change any numbers. Say for example, this is the number given to you means 1011. What is the ones complement value? According to the rule, 1 should be changes to 0. This one is changes to 0. This 0 changes to 1. This 1 changes to 0. This 0 changes to 1. 1 changes to 0. So this is the ones complement of the given number. This is the ones complement of the given number. Now I'm moving to the twos complement. Twos complement. So most of the competitive examinations are in our end semester examination, problems are based on these twos complements. So what is the definition for this? Twos complement means first definition is ones complement plus 1. One's complement plus 1. Please listen carefully because there are two methods are available to change or to convert or to find the two's complement for the given number. So two's complement means what? For one's complement plus 1. What is meant by this? We will see now with one example. Suppose the given number is like this: 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. This is the number given to you. What is the two's complement value for this number? What is the two's complement for this given number? What is the procedure for the two's complement? First you have to take the ones complement. So you know what is meant by ones complement? Ones complement means 1 should be converted into 0, 0 should be converted to 1. Please listen carefully. The first step, first I'm going to take the ones complement. First I'm going to take the ones complement for the given number. So here 0, it is changes to 1. Here 0 changing to 1. Here also 0 change to 1. 1 change to 0. Here 1, so it changes to 0. Here 1, it again changes to 1. Here 1 changes to 0. The first step is over. First step is over. So one's complement to be taken for the given number, then add 1 to the results of the one's complement, results of the one's complement. So here a given number, this is the given number, then it's a one's complement results. Now I am adding the 1. So 1 plus 1, 0. Sum 0 carry 1, that comes to here. Again 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, so it goes to here. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 1. 0 1 0. This is the 2's complement value for the given number. This is the 2's complement value for the given number. This is the given number. This is the given number. What is the steps or procedure? First you have to take the ones complement and then add 1 to the results of ones complement. It is the 2's complement. So one more example: 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So 11-bit binary number is given to you. Find out the 2's complement. So first step, you have to calculate or find out the ones complement for the given number. So you know the procedure for ones complement: 0 to be converted into 1. So 0, here 1, here also 1. 1 is converted to 0. 0 means 1. 0 means 1. 0 means 1. 0 means 1. 1 is changing to 0. 0 0. Now the ones complement first step is over. Second, add 1 to the results of ones complement. So I'm going to add 1 to the results of ones complement. 1 plus 1 sum is 0, carry 1, that comes to here. Again 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry is 1. Okay, then 0 plus 1 1, then 1, and then 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, that's all. 2's complement. Now one definition is over for 2's complement. One definition or one method is over. So another one method, a shortcut is also there. I'm going to explain by using the same example for your easy understanding. Do you have any doubt regarding this? Regarding this, that means 2's complement. Sendamil, any doubt to
No,
you?
sir.
Okay. What about Stephen? Any doubt? Satya?
No, no, sir. No, sir.
Okay. What about Satya? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now there is no need of spending much time or doing like this. That means one's complement and then one like this kinds of procedure. It's not necessary for finding out the 2's complement. Straight away or directly you can take the 2's complement for the given binary number. What is the rule for this? What is the rule for this? The first step, take the given binary as it is or given number as it is, then converted into binary. Take the binary as it is. Then second step, mark LSB and MSB. Mark LSB and MSB. You know what is meant by LSB? What is meant by MSB? And then Third step, please listen carefully or you please note it down in your notebook. Since no need of doing one's complement and then results of one's complement is again added with 1. That step not necessary here. Third one, please listen, copy or find the first one occurs from the LSB and copy as it is. I repeat once again. Third step, copy the numbers as it is where the first one occurs from LSB. No problem, you please wait. At the time of doing one example, you can easily understand this. The third step, copy the bits as it is from where to where, that means from LSB to MSB, where the first one is occur. Till that you copy as it is. Afterwards, that is the fourth step. That is the fourth step. Change zeros into ones, ones into zeros. That's all. So this is a procedure for 2's complement directly. I repeat once again. First step, take the given binary as it is. Second step, mark LSB and MSB. Third step, copy the number as it is till the first one occurs from LSB. Then after that, change all zeros into ones, ones into zeros. Okay. The example for this procedure, I'm going to take the same example. The same example. That means the example is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Please listen carefully because by using this, many problems are there in the first unit. So according to the steps, very first step is take the given binary as it is. So this is the given binary. So it is taken as it is. Then mark LSB and MSB. This is the LSB. This is MSB. So mark the LSB and MSB. Third step, copy as it is. Copy as it is till the first one is occur. Please listen. At the time of converting this from LSB to MSB, from LSB to MSB, we should look at from here to here. So here, where the first one is occur, here only the first one is occur. Till that copy as it is. Till that copy as it is. 1, 0, 0, 0. Till that copy as it is. Copy as it is till the first one is occur from LSB to MSB tracing. Then after that, change ones into zeros, change ones into zeros, zeros into 1, zeros into 1. That's all. This is the 2's complement for the given problem. So without taking any 1's complement and then plus 1, we can directly convert the given binary number into its equivalent 2's complement. Now you can refer or you can compare the results. So this is the procedure which follows the 1's complement plus 1. First, the given number is 1's complemented and then results of that 1 complement is added with 1. Finally, we obtain this results. So without doing these steps, we can directly convert the given number into 2's complement. How? Procedure is the same. Take the given number as it is, mark LSB and MSB, then copy as it is till the first one is occur from the LSB tracing. From the LSB tracing. Afterwards, after that bit, change zeros into ones, ones into zeros. Any doubt? Anybody else?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, okay, very good. Now you can check the same thing for this problem also. For this problem also. So the problem initially we taken is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Totally 4 zeros. 1, 0, 0, 0. So according to this step, I take the given binary as it is, then mark the LSB and MSB. This is the LSB bit, the MSB bit. Then copy as it is till the first one is occur from the LSB tracing. That is here to here. That is here to here tracing. So till that we copy 1 0 0. Afterwards change zeros to 1 1. Here 0 1. Here 0 1. Here 0 1. So all ones into zeros. All ones into zeros. This is the 2's complement for the given binary number. 2's complement for the given binary number. Now you can refer this one with this one. This is the results you obtained in the previous process. That means a given number initially taken one's complement, and then results of one's complement is added with 1. So both are same. So it is very simple. So no need to spend much time for converting the given number into 2's complement. Given number into 2's complement. Where it is applicable? Next question. In some situations, while doing any design, say for example in combinational circuits or a sequential circuits, there is a possibilities of addition. That means arithmetic operations. Say for example, numbers are classified into two types. One is called positive numbers, another one is negative numbers. Or at least I cannot understand this. If suppose in certain arithmetics 10 can be added with 6. 10 can be added with 6. Very simple. In decimal, you can directly give the answer is 16. Similarly, 10 minus 6. Similarly, 10 minus 6. It is also very simple in a decimal number system. The answer is 4. But in some situation, instead of this, we should take this addition or a subtraction by using the one's complements or two's complement. How? In simple, we can say this as complexity can be reduced by using this two's complement and one's complement addition or subtraction. Means that what? In certain situations, particularly in signed numbers, that means positive numbers and negative numbers, some situation I may subtract my subtraction may be like this: 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10. In decimal number system, it is very simple. 4 minus 10 is 6. What is the major value or a maximum value? Its sign will be the results. It's very simple. It's very simple in decimal number system. But if it is in binary number system, very, very difficult to do these calculations. So under that situation, instead of doing this subtraction, we can get the answer by adding these two numbers. How? Take this number as it is, take one's complement or two's complement for the largest number or a negative number. Please listen my words. Take the first number as it is, the second number you should take the one's complement or two's complement for the largest number or a negative number, and then add both. That's the results. Add both. That's the results. It is the process of doing arithmetic operations in a digital systems or all the computer based applications. All the computer based applications. Now we are entering into such a cases, that is binary arithmetics. We will see one by one later. Before to that, similar to one's complements and two's complement, some other complements also there, that is called nine's complement. May be a important question in your competitive examination or sometimes in your end semester examination. Nine's complement, very simple. Nine's complement is very simple. What is meant by nine's complement? You know what is meant by one's complement? One's complement means just to convert 1 into 0, zeros into 1. Two's complement means one's complement plus 1, or you can follow that rules. Okay. Nine's complement means Please listen. In decimal, it is very simple. Say, for example, what is the value of 480 in decimal? That means it is the number given. What is the nines complement value? What is the nines complement value in your examination? So, what is the procedure for this? Nines complement means very simple. Take the given number as it is. Take the given number as it is. Subtract each and every digits from 9. Subtract each and every digits of the given number from 9. So please see the screen. So this is the number given in the problem. 480 is given. So what is the nines complement value? So nines complement value means subtract each and every digits from 9. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4 is 4. So this is the nines complement value of the 480 in decimal. Okay. So one more example, 1104. So what is the nines complement for this? So each and every digit should be subtracted from 9. That's all. Very simple. So please pray with the God. If suppose any questions is based on nines complement, it is very simple. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. So this is called nines complement. This is called nines complement. Now I'm moving to the tens complement. I'm moving to the tens complement. What is tens complement? The procedure is first step, take the given number as it is. Take the given number as it is. Given number as it is. Then second step, find nines complement for the given number. Find a nines complement for the given number. Third step, add 1 with the results of the obtained nines complement. That's all the tens complement, which is similar to the twos complement through ones complement. Through ones complement. Example for this, again we take 480 here. What is the tens complement for this? First step, take the given number as it is, 480. 480. First find out the nines complement. So 999 here. Subtract this. This is the nines complement. 1 1 sorry 9 1 5 9 1 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 0. 9 plus 1 0 10. That 1 comes to here. 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 520. This is the tens complement for the given number. This is the tens complement for the given number 480. This is the tens complement for the given number 480. So in your examination, in semester examination, there may be a chances of asking a 2-mark questions by using ones complement, twos complements, nines complement, and then tens complement. So that's all about the complements. Now I'm moving to the arithmetics by using the complements. Arithmetics, binary arithmetics by using the complements. The first one is uh, ones complement subtraction. Ones complement subtraction. So in all competitive examinations, at least one question from this, either ones complement or twos complement or nines complement or tens complement. So please listen. Subtraction using ones complement. Using ones complement subtraction. So what is the procedure for this? Very simple, which is similar to our ordinary subtraction, Since it is a binary number system, say for example, please listen. This is the example. I'm not going to explain any steps here. Directly I'm moving to the problem. This is the binary number 1010, and then what is another one number? You may taken another number, maybe 1000. So this is another one binary number. So subtract these two. Very simple. What is the equivalent of this? This is 10 equivalent binary. This is 8 equivalent binary. Therefore, you can directly write the answer as 2. Therefore, you can directly write the answer like this. But you should do this calculation by using the ones complement. In our examination itself, the question is like this: do the arithmetics using ones complement or twos complement. So you should involve this procedure. So please listen. Please listen. What is the first step? This number taken as it is. This number taken as it is. To subtract this, I have to take the complement for this. Ones complement for this second number. Ones complement for the second number. And then add both. So this is the number given to us. That means 1000. So its ones complement is what? Its ones complement 1000. Ones complement is what? First step, you have to take the ones complement for this. All ones into 0, zeros into 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, over. Then add this ones complemented value of this with the first number 1, 0, 1, 0. Now I'm going to add these two. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry will be 1. So 1 plus 1 again 0, sum is 0, carry will be 1. That 1 comes to here. Please listen. Then sum is 0, carry will be 1. Please listen. This is very important thing in this particular case of problems. In case like this, any carry is sitting while doing this kinds of arithmetics, that is by using ones complement. The step is very simple. Second number to be complemented, ones complemented, that is the result of this. Then it is added to the first number. So this is the results. By adding this, what will be the result? Finally there is n carry. This is called n carry. So what we have to do this n carry? Just omit this carry. In some situation, you have to add this carry with the results. Okay, I repeat once again. After doing this process, that means ones complemented of the second number, then again which is added, then in some situations there may be a carry will be setted in end, that is called n carry. That carry in some occasions can be neglected, in some occasions it should be added. So here I'm going to add that carry. Finally I can get the answer is like this: 1 plus 1, 0, sum, then carry comes to here, then 0, 0. This is the answer for this problem. So which is equivalent of binary number 2? So this is the one case study in a binary number system. That is subtraction of two numbers. Okay, then another one case, that means As already I told, some situation the n carry may be neglected. N carries may be neglected. Where that is signed number systems. That is called signed number system. We will see in the later classes or later problems. Signed number systems. This one may be neglected. That one may be neglected. Okay. In some occasions, there is no carry in the end. In some situations, there is no carry is obtained. Under that situation, what will be the next step? What will be the next step? So if suppose there is no carry in the end, under that situation, what is the results obtained here? Afterwards, you should take one's complement for the obtained results. You should take the one's complement for the obtained results. Okay. What is the example for this? Very simple, opposite to this problem. That means now I am going to do the same arithmetic operation like this. 1 1 sorry 1 0 1 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0. This is the example for this. So it is the binary equivalent of 8. This is the binary equivalent of 10. The result is 2. What is the magnitude or a sign is 2 minus. Since the maximum value is what, its a sign only comes in the in its results. Okay. Now you listen carefully. Now you listen carefully. Similar procedure. Take the first number as it is. Take the first number as it is. Then take one's complement for the given second number. So zeros to be 1 1 0 1 0. Okay. Now add both. Now add both. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. Please listen. Here there is no n carry. There is no n carry. But in the previous case there is a carry. Then what is the next step? To find out result for this, to find out the results for this, it is not a final result. It is not a final result. So to obtain the final results, what you should do, again you should take the ones complement for the obtained results. What is the ones complement for this? 1 to be changes to 0, zeros to be changes as 1. So 0 0. Okay, 0 0. So this is the results. What is the understanding here? Both are same process. So the first problem, 10 is subtracted with 8. The second problem, 8 is subtracted with 10. So larger number subtracted with smaller number is the first case. Second case, smaller number is subtracted with the larger number. So what is the understanding here? The second case, there is a sign, that is a minus sign will be appear. Therefore, what is the answer for this? This is the actual answer. This is the actual answer. But is it correct or not to be verified by us? How it is? Just by taking the complements for the obtained results, that gives the actual results, means that's all the correct answer. So in short, the negative value of this 2 is this one. Negative value for the 2. Minus 2 means what? Minus 2 means 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. So actual 2 means what? It's 1's complement. 0 1 0 0. It's a 2 binary equivalent. Its negative value equal to this one. Similarly 3. Actual binary 3 is 0 0 1 1. This is the plus 3. This is the plus 3. What is minus 3? Opposite to this one. That means 0 0 1 1. So this is the minus 3. This is the minus 3. So from these two examples, what is understanding? Arithmetics can be done by using the ones complements. Under that situations, there are two cases. There are two cases. The first case is subtraction may be larger number with small number with larger number. So under that situations, is there is n carry is set or not? Another one important thing is there is any n carry is set or not. If suppose n carry is setted, if there is any n carry is setted in one's complement, that carry should be added with the results of the process. So like this, so finally we can get the result. In case there is no carry is setting during the arithmetic process by using one's complement, then obtained results again to be taken as a one's complement once. That's all. That's all the one's complement arithmetics. That's all the one's complement arithmetics. Similarly, you may do the arithmetic operations like or one more example maybe like this. I think it is one university question in semester examination, question from Anna University, that is 1010 from subtracted 1010 from 1111. So subtract 1010 from 11111. So very simple. So subtraction means 111 is taken as it is. 111 is taken as it is. So subtraction 1010, subtract both 1 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. So this is the ordinary. But in a university examination, the question may be like this. The question may be like this. Subtract 1010 in binary from the 1111. Also subtract the same with one's complement and compare the results. Under that situation, take the given first number as it is, then find the complement. One's complement for this one is 1 0 1 0. Then add both. 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1, so again sum equal to 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, then carry here, so 1 plus 1 is 0. Now I'm having a n carry. I'm having a n carry in this process. So you know, in one's complement, if there is any n carry is there, you have to add that n carry with the results. So add that with the result. 0 plus 1 0 0 1 0. So this is the result I obtained by using one's complement. So this is the one's complement process based explanation. One's complement based arithmetic. This is ordinary arithmetic, binary ordinary arithmetic. So ordinary binary arithmetics. So results to be compared, that is a question. So in one university examination, question is what? Subtract 1010 from 1111 using one's complement method and compare the results with direct method. This is the direct method, binary subtraction. So I got this is 15, this is 10, subtracted result is equal to 5. This is the 5 equivalent binary. This is the 5 equivalent binary. The same thing, the given number 1111 is taken as it is, then find out the ones complement for 1010, add both. So during that process I'm getting any carry. Yes, here I'm getting the n carry. So that n carry is added with the results. So I'm getting the answer is 0101. I'm going to checking both the results are same. So my problem is exactly correct. So for this, sometimes 4 marks or 2 mark questions in your in semester examinations. Similarly, any problem maybe comes in one's complement. Now 2's complement arithmetics. Now the 2's complement arithmetics. Now the 2's complement arithmetics, similar to the previous case. Similar to the previous case. Here also addition is no problem, subtraction only the problem. Now I'm directly entering into one problem by using 2's complement. I'm going to take the same example. 1 0 1 0 is a binary number, is subtracted from 1 1 1 1. So this is the problem in binary. This is the problem in binary. So in ordinary case, no problem. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. So directly I can write 1 0 1 0. So it is the ordinary cases, but you should do the same thing by using 2's complement. So for that I'm taking the first number as it is. Please listen carefully. Then second case, the given numbers 2's complement to be taken. So here I'm not going to take any 1's complement plus 1. I'm not using such a procedure, direct procedure. Copy as it is till the first one is occur from the LSB tracing. So 0 and 1. Here only the first one is occur. So as it is, I'm copying. Then change zeros into 1, ones into 0. That's all. This is the 2's complement for this number. Now add both 1, 1 plus 1, 0. Carry comes to here. 1 plus 1 plus 1, again 1. Sum. Carry is there. 1 plus 1 carry. So sum is equal to 0. Now carry will be set. Okay. Please listen. This is the n carry in this process. So in this particular case, that is in 2's complement subtraction, if there is any end carry is there, that carry should be omitted or discarded. Discard that carry. Please listen and keep it in your mind. Very important thing. So discard this carry. You omit this carry. Discard means what? Omit this carry. Don't worry about this carry. Simply leave it. Omit this carry. So this is the difference between 1's complement and 2's complement arithmetic. In 1's complement, at the time of doing this process, if there is any carry is settled, that carry is again added with the results obtained in the previous process. But here, any two numbers, particularly largest number and smallest number. So smallest number is subtracted from the largest number by using 2's complement. The largest number taken as it is, smallest number 2's complement is taken, then add both. Under that process, in case any carry is settled, you should omit that carry. That's all. Okay. So in this any doubt? Then
No, sir.
similar to the
No,
any doubt?
sir.
Pa? Somebody asking? Hello? Any doubt? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Someshwar. Can I proceed, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then similar to the previous case, it's opposite. It's opposite. If suppose I'm going to do the subtraction is like this, that means the subtraction is 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0. I think this is the example already we taken in a previous case. Am I correct? I think the same number maybe. Okay, for that the procedure is take the first number as it is. Here also I'm taking the first number as it is. Then find the 2's complement for the second number. Copy till the first one is occur from LSB. Then 0 is changing to 1, 1 changes to 0. Then add both. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Here there is no n carry. Here there is no n carry. So what we have to do? So it is the answer. This is the answer. Actually, it's a correct answer. But you have to verify that. For that, what you have to do? Again, you have to take the 2's complement here. You have to take the 2's complement of the answer. So you know the procedure. What is the 2's complement? Copy the numbers as it is till the first one is occur from the LSB tracing. So for this answer, I'm tracing from here to here, 0, 1. I copied as it is. Then 1 changes to 0, 0 changes to 1. So here 1, 0, here 1, 0. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. So I repeat once again, this is the second problem or second case. This is the second case. 100 in binary is subtracted with 1010. So it is a small number. The larger number to be subtracted. For that, this negative number is 2's complemented. 2's complement is taken here directly. That means copy the number as it is till the first one is occur. So here the first one is occur from LSB. So I copied as it is. Afterwards 0 is changing to 1, 1 changing into 0. Okay. Then add both. Add both. Therefore, what will be the result? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. This is the results we obtained. But it is not in a correct value. That means negative value of something. What is that value? To find out that, again you have to take the 2's complement for the obtained results. Again you have to take the 2's complement for the obtained results. So for that, again the same procedure. Instead of doing 1's complement plus 1, I'm going to write directly from this. So copy till the first one is occur as it is from LSB. So this is the LSB 0, 1. I copied as it is. Afterwards, I'm changing 1 into 0, 0 into 1. Here both are 1, so I'm changing 0, 0. This is the results for the 2's complement subtraction. 2's complement subtraction. So far, whatever the arithmetic operations were discussed today's session, this is called signed. This is called signed arithmetic operations. Then, sorry, unsigned arithmetic operations. Signed binary number arithmetics is also there. That is very important. We will see such a arithmetics operations in one more session. Okay. So the consolidation about today's session is what we have to see so far. The first one is what is meant by complement. Complement means what? Complement means 1 to be changed or changed to 0. 0 is changing into 1. And then its classifications: 1's complement, 2's complement, 9's complements, and 10's complement. What is the procedure for 1's complement? You know, that is 1 to be changed to 0, 0 changes to 1, 0 changes to 1. Then 2's complement. So 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1, or a direct procedure. What is that procedure? Copy the number as it is till the first one is occur from the LSB. Afterwards, change zeros into ones, ones into zeros. And then 9's complement, it is very simple. Subtract all the given numbers from the 9, that is called 9's complement. Then 10's complement is 9's complement plus 1. 9's complement plus 1. It means that what? First you have to take the 9's complement and add 1 with that results. So this and all very important thing in your end semester examination, or 1 or 2 questions maybe in your GATE examination or any competitive examinations like EB, GATE, GAIL, SAIL, or BEL examinations. Okay. Afterwards, what we have seen so far, that is 1's complement and 2's complement based subtraction. Based subtraction. If suppose any n carry is set or not based upon that. In one's complement, if suppose n carry is settled, that is added with the results of the previous process. If it is in 2's complement, we should omit or discard that carry. And then there is no carry is settled. What will be the next procedure? Take 1's complement in 1's complement subtraction, 2's complements in 2's complement subtraction for obtaining the actual results. So next, signed arithmetics we will discuss in the forthcoming session. Any doubts in this regard? Please go through with some books or materials. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Actually, this subject is very simple subject. So I'm going very slow than all other subjects. Please understand the meaning, because you might have failed in future. So please practice yourself by referring some books or net materials along with these sessions. Okay. So any doubt, anything else you want to discuss, you can discuss. Otherwise, no problem, we can leave it. And you please join with the other sessions. Then one more request, I'm having 2 to 3 offline videos. I will give it to your FA. He will post it to anywhere else, or we will give the YouTube link. You please go through that. Then we will give some assignment based upon the YouTube video. You should solve and submit to me. Okay, that's all. Anything else? Any doubt? Ravichandran,
No, sir.
you have any doubt? Any doubt? Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Someshwar?
No, sir.
Okay. Pradeep? Bharat Kumar? It's okay. Please be take care.